Operating your PowerXL microwave air fryer is very easy and puts the convenience of microwaving and air frying right at your fingertips. It is important to review your owner's manual thoroughly to become familiar with how to operate, cleaning, care and safety, and you'll even find some delicious recipes you'll love. Now let's review the basics. To turn the unit on, make sure the power cord is plugged into an electrical wall outlet. Always make sure your unit is on a flat surface. To set the clock, press the clock timer button once and use the control dial to set the hour. Press the clock timer button again and dial to set the minutes. Then press the clock timer button once again to lock in that time. Now let's look at the One-Touch Easy Control panel. At the top, you will see indicator icons. They let you know what mode is in use. There is the microwave icon, air fry icon, and the bake icon. There is also an icon for the fan, which lets you know when the fan is in use. Below that, you will see the cooking time, temperature, and the weight display. Moving down the control panel, there are 3 function buttons. They are microwave, air fry, and bake. When you first start to cook, press a function button to select which cooking function you wish to use. The presets for the bake button are convection, broil, roast, reheat, and keep warm. Bake and air fry have adjustable time and temperature. You adjust these by pressing the time or temperature button and rotating the control dial to the time or temperature you want. Please note, if you use one of the preset buttons, the time and temperature are not adjustable. To defrost, put your frozen food into the unit and press the micro button and turn the control dial to the defrost preset. Press the control knob to confirm the defrost setting and rotate the dial again to scroll through DEF1 through DEF6. There are settings for vegetables, fruit, chicken, fish, meat, and broth. Press the control dial to confirm your choice, and then turn the control dial again to select the weight from 4 to 100 ounces. Then press the control knob again to start defrosting. When the unit beeps twice, or about halfway through, turn your food over. Place it back into the unit and press the confirmation button to continue the defrosting process. When the timer is complete, the unit will beep 5 times. When no cooking program is running, the appliance is in the standby mode. In standby mode, only the time is displayed. The other icons are not illuminated. Once the panel is darkened, if you press any button on the display, it will illuminate. Hold down the Stop Lock button for about 3 seconds until you hear a beep. This will lock the panel, preventing children from setting the unit or turning it on. To unlock, once again hold down the Stop Lock button for about 3 seconds until it beeps. That's the operating panel, and that's how operating your PowerXL microwave air fryer can be one touch easy. For more information, helpful videos, tips, tricks, and delicious recipes, please go to www.powerxlmicrowaveairfryer.com.
PowerXL. Life keeps you busy. We help you excel.